Hey there, fantasy lovers! Have you ever felt like there's a piece of your soul out there, just waiting to be found? Today, I'm diving into the enchanting world of twin flames. Imagine a connection so deep, it transcends time and space. Intrigued? First off, what exactly are twin flames? Unlike soulmates, who are kindred spirits, twin flames are believed to be two halves of the same soul. When these two souls meet, it's like a cosmic explosion, creating a bond that's impossible to ignore. It's said that your twin flame is your ultimate mirror, reflecting both your best and your most challenging traits. Now, meeting your twin flame is no ordinary love story. It's not always smooth sailing. Often, twin flames go through intense phases of separation and reunion. This dance can be emotionally exhausting, but it's all part of the journey to personal growth and ultimate harmony. It's like an epic quest where the hero and heroine must overcome trials before they can finally unite. You might be wondering, how do I know if I've met my twin flame? Well, here are some signs. First, there's an instant, powerful connection. It feels like you've known each other for lifetimes. Second, you push each other to grow and evolve. There's no hiding your true self. And lastly, despite challenges, there's an unbreakable bond that keeps drawing you back together. But why do twin flames matter in the grand scheme of things? It's believed that these connections are here to raise the vibration of the planet. Through their love and growth, twin flames can spread positivity and healing, not just within their relationship, but to everyone around them. So, if you're on a journey to find your twin flame, remember to be patient and stay true to yourself. The universe has a way of bringing these magical connections into our lives when we least expect them. Thanks for joining me in this mystical exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical content. Until next time, keep believing in the magic within you. Catch you later, adventurers. Break time 5.